Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Stewed chicken with pigeon peas and pumpkin. Alright, so here we have our pumpkin that we're going to use. We have it all cut up. We have our pigeon peas that we're going to use. And we have some seasonings here. You can pause and take a look that we're going to mince up to put in our pigeon peas. We have our seasoned chicken, so season to your preference. We're going to be using some chicken broth. So here now I'm adding all those seasonings that I had on the plate into my food processor in order to mince it up. And I'm going to add that to my pigeon peas in order to season my pigeon peas. Alright, so we add our seasoning, our fresh seasoning to our pigeon peas. We also want to add some salt to taste as well to our pigeon peas. We're going to mix all our seasonings together nicely. There I'm adding the salt. And we're going to mix again. I added some black pepper, or you could also add white pepper. I also added a little salt to my pumpkin as well. So each ingredient is seasoned. Alright, so we're going to add a little sugar to our pan and we're going to heat this up. We want our sugar to melt and to brown. In other words, then we're going to liquefy our sugar granules. And that is what gives the color to your stewed chicken. So now that it's brown there, we're going to add our chicken in. Then I just stirred over the chicken so I can get the browning on the other side of the chicken. That chicken is giving trouble to turn over. Alright, so we're going to cover and simmer for about 10 to 20 minutes, checking to see if if it is burning. We don't want it to burn. And we're going to turn your fire down to low. Usually I don't leave it for that full 20 minutes. I usually just do it for 10. What I'm doing is allowing the chicken to spring its own water. So you notice I'm not adding any liquid. But I'm covering it, have it on a low fire, and then I continue turning. Now after that I would say leave it for 10 minutes. I know I have 20 written on the screen, but leave it for 10. After that 10 minutes is up, then you can add your pigeon peas to it. What I did is put the chicken broth to wash out what I had boiled and put in it. So now you bring it up to boil, and then after that you turn it down to low and you leave your well, of course what I have to do is open it and add the pumpkin. And then what we're going to do now is cover it, and you're going to allow that chicken to cook completely now. Okay, so I wouldn't say pre-cook, but we cook our chicken first without adding liquid for about 10 minutes. And then after that springs its own water and burns out, then we will add the chicken broth and add the other ingredients. I added a bay leaf there, and we're going to leave that to simmer and cook completely. And basically that's your stewed chicken with pigeon peas and pumpkin. So like I said, you leave it to cook completely for about 45 minutes, and at the end this is what you have. Now we can sprinkle with chive and enjoy.